Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of SuperText. In today's video, we are going to learn about the articles in English. While I saying the word articles, the three major things that come to your mind, which are they? A and the. So today we are going to learn the usages of these three things and the situations where we have to use this. So let's just move on to the video. So, what are articles actually? They are the variant adjectives used to point out a person or things, or in other words, they are used before nouns to represent a thing or a person or anything else. Actually, articles are adjectives too. Now, let us look at the classification of articles. Among these three articles, we can classify them to two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. So, first let us look what are definite articles. Definite articles are the articles which explicitly state what a person or a thing is, or they are used before nouns to indicate the identity of the noun. It clearly represents or specifies the identity of that noun. The article which we can consider as definite is the. The is used as definite articles because it clearly states us what actually a person or a thing is. For example, the moon, the earth. Get rid of these examples because they are universal things. The star I saw yesterday. Okay, here it is not mentioning any star. It is specifying the one star that I saw yesterday. It is specifying only the one star. Okay. Coming to indefinite articles, I had told you before that they do not explicitly state, since it is the opposite of definite articles. They do not explicitly state what a person or thing is, or it does not clearly states that the identity of a noun, a person or an object. A star in the sky, if you are concerned, a star, here a star represents any star in the sky. It is not representing for a one sky or a two stars. Okay, it is not representing a specific thing. It may be any star in the sky. Since sky is filled with many stars, it can be any one among them. But when we tell about definite, it only states the one star that we use. The article a or an is used to communicate effectively without any interruptions in pronunciation. We all know from the basic class itself, we were taught that an is used before vowels and a is used before consonants. Some examples that can be cited: a bus, a bike, a horse, an apple, an orange, such that. Now, while using the articles, there are some rules that we have to follow. We can't use a and the before any words or any nouns as our wish. Okay, we have to follow some specific rules for that. So next we are going to look about that rules. We all know there are several words which starts with the consonant sound or consonant letter H. Okay, there are several words. Majority of us thought that all the words which starting with this letter are consonants, but that concept is actually wrong. There are some words too which start with this letter which are actually vowels. The main reason for our misunderstanding is our wrong pronunciation and the wrong concept that we are considering the letters, not sounds. Actually, a or an is used before the words, which sounds either in consonant or in vowels. Our basic concept is an is used before all vowel letters or all words starting with vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Actually, this is wrong. An is used before words which sounds with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, which sounds beginning with, the sound begins with these 5 vowels. We are actually don't considering the letters. Okay, there are several words that we have to consider letters too. But there are some exceptional cases in which we have to consider the sounds too. First of all, we have to know the pronunciation. So, coming to this case, there are several words which seems to be consonant, which begins with H, but actually there are vowels. For example, an honest man. It's not an honest man. It is wrong. Actually, it is an honest man. That is the correct pronunciation. An hour. Okay. I will come an hour later, not an hour later. It is wrong actually. Pronounce it as hour. An hotel, not hotel. It is hotel. An hair. It's wrong. An air. H-E-I-R. It should pronounce it as an air. Okay. So there are several examples. Now the second rule that we have to follow is words starting with consonant sounds. In such cases, always use A. Okay. Always use A before words which starts with consonant sounds. For example, a boy, a girl. These all sounds consonant, not vowels. Okay. So use A before all consonant sounds. Now, there are some other cases in which the word starts with actually vowel letters. Okay. But it will consonants. That's what I said earlier. Don't consider the letter, consider the sound. For example, the continent, Europe. The word is starting with E or the vowel, so we can't put an before that. It is wrong. We only tell a Europe. Okay, use a Europe, a European. Okay, not an European. It is wrong. A Europe. A Eve. A eulogy. Not an eulogy. A eulogy. So these are the some exceptional cases that I told before that seems to be vowels, actually just consonants. There are and vice versa. Okay. Now, there are, if we are using A before some person, before the name of a person or before a person, it represents the quality of that person. Okay. For example, to represent a boy, we are telling he is a little Hercules. We all know about Hercules, the strong man. Is it? Actually, this comparison is using here to show that the child is a strong boy. The boy is a strong boy. To tell that we are using it as he is a little Hercules. Or in other words, he is a junior Bill Gates. It is actually representing the quality of that person or that child. Okay. So these are the cases. So we had now tell the use of indefinite articles, that is a or an. Now we can look word to use definite article, that is the usage of the. So use of the or definite article. We use the before a person or matter to indicate that this matter is already told before. Okay, it is actually using before words which had already told before to indicate that it had already told. For example, the man you asked is not here. The book you want is out of stock or out of print. We could say like that. Okay, here the person had inquired about this man already or before. So that he is telling that the man you asked is not here. The child or the person already inquired about the book. So the librarian or the seller telling that the book you want is out of print or out of stock. Now, if we use the before a singular noun, before some singular nouns, it represents the category itself, the category of that noun itself. For example, the cow is a useful animal. While we are taking this as an example, it is not representing about one cow. It is representing as all cows are useful. That is its correct representation. Okay. It actually reveals us that meaning. The cow is a useful animal. It is not representing about or specifying a one cow. It is actually specifying all cows. Another example, lion is the king of animals. We all know. It is not representing one lion. In every forest or in every troop of animals, lion is the king. It's the truth. Is it? Now, let us look near the usages of the. We use the before natural phenomena or universal spheres such as the moon, the earth, the sun, the Saturn, the Uranus, the Neptune, such as the sea, the ocean. We can also use the before the names of seas, oceans, lakes, rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Volga, and we can also it represents to mountains. Mountains. We can represent the to show about mountains. And there are several other usages. So let us look that usages too. We could also use the before holy books such as the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Mahabharata. But we won't use the before the authors, even if there may be the authors of these holy books. We won't use the. We only tell Vatmiki's Ramayana. Such as don't tell the Vatmiki's Ramayana. It is a wrong expression. Vatmiki's Ramayana, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. That are the usages. When we use the before a pronoun, it would become plural. For example, the poor are always with us. It represents poor people were always with us. The rich must help poor. It reveals that the rich people, all rich peoples should help poor people. When citing this example, a warning note thing that I have to tell you is never use article the and people in same example. That is the poor people. It is a wrong expression or wrong phrase. Either tell poor people or the poor. Never intermix these two. That is the poor people. It is actually wrong. The rich people. It is wrong. Either tell rich people or the rich. It's enough. This is another classification. Now, when we tell about a specific persons or specific countries, the United States, the India, okay, we will use such as nations, we use the before nations, the UAE, the UK, United Kingdom, United Arab, the UAE. So before these examples we have to use the. When we represent times with the word all, except day and night, we have to use the. For example, all the morning, all the evening, all the afternoon, all the lunch. But use only all day, all night. Never use all the day, all the night. They are wrong. Always use all day, all night, all the morning, all the evening, all the afternoon, and so on. Use articles before the names of famous buildings, monuments, and historical places. Tell the Taj Mahal, the Burj Khalifa, the Qutb Minar, okay, the pyramids of Egypt. Never use a or and before these. Now, there are several cases where we should not use articles. So next we are going to look at. Never use the before streets, avenues, lanes, squares, or to represent the location. Never use the. Okay, I am from 4th lane. Never tell I am from the 4th lane. It is wrong. Gandhinagar Street is on left. Don't never tell the Gandhinagar Street is on the left. It is wrong. And to tell about the ways or the paths, we can either use articles or don't use. Okay, it's our necessity. In case of paths only, for example, the Jawaharlal Nehru Road or Jawaharlal Nehru Road, it's our necessity. Okay. Now, another case where the articles should not use. I am apologizing you because before I told you that article the is used before countries. In normal case, we are not using articles before countries. And also languages, we shouldn't use the. India is my country. I know English very well. He knows English and Hindi. Never tell I know the English, I know the Hindi. Okay. Always tell English and Hindi are best languages. I know English and Hindi. So these are some cases where articles should not use. But we can use the before languages to represent a minor meaning. For example, the English you spoke or speak is wrong. It is specifying that English that another person told. Okay, the English you speak is wrong. Or in normal case, we shouldn't use articles. And also, there are several things that we should not use articles. Friends, in this video, we had discussed about articles and the usages, where to use this article, where to not use these articles. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and now itself please like this video and share to your friends and relatives or anybody who want this. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and also enable the bell icon by pushing all notifications. So let's find out for today. See you with a new video on next day. Till then, goodbye.